Alright, now Samsung is really going crazy with the customization features on the Galaxy phones. We have seen tons of them already, and now we have got something very exciting, and I would love to keep you guys posted about this. Now the Goodlock team has released some screenshots and videos of the brand new Quick Start application, which brings customization for your Quick panel. Let me show you that. I don't know who posted this first. I think it's asking one of my friends on X. Now he has shared this particular screenshot, and the APK is coming soon, and you can see this. This is just crazy, guys. This is insane amount of customization which we are going to get on the Galaxy phones. Now this is specifically for the Quick panel, and this is coming on Quick Start module. And now we'll be able to set the background for these quick toggles. As you can see, we have got some images here on this particular toggle. I mean, it may not be a functional toggle. There could be just an image on this toggle, and then we have got this expandable panel here. For that also there's a background set, as you can see, and then we have got the brightness bar with the background and a volume bar with the background, and we have got the media output toggle with a background. And you can also notice there is something very interesting here, that is the privacy display. Now this feature will be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 series, and probably the Goodlock team was testing this particular module on the S26 series, and that's how we are seeing this toggle privacy display. Now we have already discussed about privacy display in the past. When you enable this feature, anybody looking or peeping at your phone from an angle from the other side will not be able to see the contents on your phone. That is privacy display feature, and that is of course based on the hardware. So we may not be getting it on the predecessors like the Galaxy S25 series or the S24 series. We may not be able to see privacy display feature. So yeah, we can see this here, and we can also see some of the toggles here: smart view, smart things, nearby devices, which are all there. And the best part is setting the background for these panels here. Now this doesn't stop here. I've got something more interesting for you guys. There is a leaked video as well. Even this video was leaked by the Goodlock team. Let me show you that. Here we go. Not this one. This is the one. Now you can see this is still in Korean, and look at this video. Let me just show you this. This is how you customize each and every panel here. Now we are not able to customize this specific panel here. As you can see, we can only add or delete the toggles from here. We can change these ones. However, we cannot customize this one, and some other toggles are also not customizable. Like for example, this one I can shrink it. Probably for some reason it's not working, it's still buggy. But yeah, now if you look at this one here, this video, let me play this again for you. You can see even this panel is customizable. Now this allows each and every toggle, each and every panel on the Quick panel to be customizable, and that is another cool feature that we are going to get with the all new Quick Start module, which is just amazing. And then we have got one more tweet here from Nirmal Shri on X, who says that the new One UI 8.5 Quick Start will enable us to edit the landscape mode, adjust panel item size, set as panel item image, control bar value display. So this update is going to be real crazy for the customization lovers out there, and I think this particular feature will get delayed. It will not come officially in the near future. Probably after the S26 series release only we are going to get these features officially. However, the APK is expected very soon. Those amazing guys on X always share these APKs, and we are really blessed to have them because we get to use these features in advance. So as soon as I get the APK, I will share it with you guys. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is why you need to be a part of the Apex community. You get to learn a lot about your device, the new features, the new updates, the tech related content, everything that you need to know, need to be updated. I will keep you posted. So go ahead, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. Some incredible images on this application. Go ahead, the download link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Oh, by the way, we have also got the update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I just posted the video for that. So do go ahead and update your Galaxy S24 series. The Jan update, the security patch for January is already available. So go ahead and update that. And we are waiting for the beta 4. One UI 8.5 beta 4 for the S25 series. I'll keep you guys posted as soon as we get it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.